Hello everyone, magandang buhay po sa lahat. Welcome po kayo dito sa aking Mathematics Tagalog tutorial. Sa video na ito ay papaliwanag ko po sa inyo about quadratic equation on how to calculate the discriminant of a quadratic equation and determine the nature of roots of a quadratic equation. So magpipresent po ako ng different quadratic equations. Step by step, papaliwanag ko po kung paano i-calculate ang discriminant at kung paano po malalaman yung nature of roots of this quadratic equation. Bago ako mag-present ng examples, ay alamin muna natin ano nga ba ang discriminant. So, ang discriminant po ay isang formula, b squared minus 4ac, to determine the four nature of roots of a quadratic equation. So, ang discriminant po ay basehan natin para malaman natin kung ano yung nature of roots of a given quadratic equation. Okay, so review natin. What are the four nature of roots of quadratic equation? Number one, real and equal. If the discriminant po ito kasi b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0. Okay? Number two, the nature of roots is rational and unequal if the discriminant is greater than 0 and it is perfect square. Number three, irrational and unequal if the discriminant is greater than 0 but not perfect square. And number four nature is that no real roots or imaginary if the discriminant is less than 0. So, ibig sabihin ng less than 0, kapag ang makakalculate po nating discriminant ay negative. So, ito po yung four nature of roots. Bago po natin malaman yung kanyang nature of roots of quadratic equation, dapat i-calculate muna natin yung kanyang discriminant. Okay, so let's have this number one example. Describe the nature of roots of the given quadratic equation. Number one, x squared plus 6x plus 9 equal to 0. And the formula that we're going to use, the discriminant is d. Discriminant is equal to b squared minus 4ac. Okay, so notice here sa ating formula, ang given dito ay b, ac ang ating variable. So, ibig sabihin, yung a, b, c dito ay kukunin natin dito sa ating quadratic equation. Okay, so get the value of a, b, c from this quadratic equation. Ito ay naka-standard form na. So, pwede na pong kunin yung kanyang A, B, and C. So, our A is positive 1, B is positive 6, and C is equal to 9. So, wala pong minus dito, kaya lahat ng ating values ng A, B, and C are all positive numbers. Okay. So, again, review natin, hindi natin pwedeng kunin yung value ng A, B, and C kapag ang ating quadratic equation is not written in standard form. So, kapag hindi written in standard form, kailangan i-standard form muna natin. Okay? So, ito kasi ay naka-standard form na. So, directly you get A, B, and C. Okay, so mula dito sa values ng A, B, and C, substitute natin dito sa ating formula. Okay, so dito ko po ilalagay yung formula natin. D is equal to B squared minus 4AC. So, what is our B? Substitute natin. Ang B natin ay 6. Okay? So, B is equal to 6. So, 6 squared kasi B squared. Okay? Then minus 4AC. Okay? Itong 4 dito ay constant. So, remain 4. Ang ibig sabihin ng 4AC is 4 times A times C. So, ang A natin is 1. Okay? 4 times 1. And then, ang C natin ay 9. Kaya, yan po ay 4 times 1 times 9. And then, simplify na natin. Na-substitute na natin. So, 6 squared is 36. Then, minus 4 times 1 times 9 is equal to 36. And what is 36 minus 36? That is equal to 0. So, ang nakalculate nating discriminant D is equal to 0. So, ano kaya ang nature ng roots ng itong quadratic equation na ito? Ito po, ilagay ko dito sa side. So, if the discriminant is 0, yung b squared minus 4ac is 0, ito na po kaagad yon sa number 1 natin. 0 po equal to 0. So, ang kanyang nature ay real and equal. So, the nature of the roots of number 1 equation na ito ay real and equal. Okay, so how about this number 2 example? X squared plus 7x plus 12 equal to 2. Okay? Again, yung first step na gagawin natin is get the value of A, B, and C. But notice sa ating equation ay there are 4 terms. Okay? At hindi po siya naka-standard form. Dalawa po yung constant natin, itong 12 at 2. So, kailangan nating i-combine muna itong ating constant or C. So, paano po i-combine? Transpose po natin itong 2. Okay? So positive 2 will become negative 2. So that is minus 2 is equal to 0. And then we are going to subtract 12 minus 2, that is equal to 10. That is equal to 0. Okay, so we have now x squared plus 7x plus 10 equal to 0. So naka-standard form na po siya. Pwede na pong kunin yung value ng a, b, and c. So the value of a here is 1, the value of b is 7, and the value of c is equal to 10. Take note, lahat ulit ng ating terms dito ay positive, kaya ang ating a, b, and c are all positive. Then, substitute natin sa ating discriminant. Ang formula ulit ay discriminant d is equal to b squared minus 4ac. So, what is our b? Ang b natin ito, 7. Okay? So, 7 squared kasi b squared, then minus 4ac. So, minus 4. What is our a? Ang a natin ay 1. So, 4 times 1. At ang c natin ay 10. So, that is 4 times 1 times 10. Okay? So, ito po muna unang simplify natin. 7 squared. That is equal to 49. Then, minus 4 times 1 times 10 is equal to 40. 4 times 1 is 4 times 10 is 40. And then subtract. What is 49 minus 40? That is equal to 9. So, yung ating discriminant na nakalculate ay positive 9. O, ngayon, tingnan po natin dito sa ating nature of roots kung ano yung kanyang nature. So, ang discriminant natin ay 9. That is greater than 0. Okay? So, pwede sa 2 at 3 kasi pareho pong greater than 0. But, tingnan natin yung condition ng number 2. If the discriminant is greater than 0, ito greater than 0, 9, and perfect square, ito po yung kanyang nature. Pero kapag ang discriminant ay greater than 0 but not perfect, ito yung kanyang nature. Since yung 9 is greater than 0 at ito po ay perfect square, ang 9 po ay perfect square, ito po siya ngayon. Okay? Rational and unequal ang kanyang nature of roots. Okay, so how about this number 3 example? 2x squared plus 7 equal to 0. Okay? So naka-standard na po, pero 2 terms lang ito. Ibig sabihin, ang nawawala po dito ay yung ating b. So ito po yung ax squared, yung bx ay 0, at ang c po natin ay 7. So get the value of a, b, and c. So tama po ba that a is equal to 2? Yes. Ang b po natin ay wala dito, so 0. At ang constant c natin is 7, and that's correct. Okay? Substitute po natin sa ating discriminant, b squared minus 4ac. So what is our b? B is 0, so 0 squared minus 4. What is our A? 2. And our C is 7, so 2 times 7. Okay? So 4 times 2 times 7. And what is 0 squared here? 0 squared is equal to 0 minus 4 times 2 times 7 is equal to 56. And what is 0 minus 56? That is negative 56. So ang discriminant po natin dito ay negative 56. So negative po siya. Ano po kaya ang kanyang nature of roots mula po dito? Okay, so ang negative 56 is less than 0. Okay? So less than 0. Ito po kasi ay equal to 0. Yung 2 and 3 ay greater than 0 at yung number 4 ay less than 0. So ang negative number po ay less than 0. Ito po yung kanyang nature. No real roots or imaginary. Okay? So the nature of the roots of that quadratic equation is no real roots or imaginary. Okay, for number 4 example, 2x squared plus 7x plus 2, okay, equal to 0. So again, naka-standard form na po yung ating equation. So get the value of a, b, and c. Our a is 2, b is 7, and c is equal to 2. Tama po ba? 2, 7, and 2. And then, substitute natin sa ating discriminant b squared minus 4ac. What is our b? 7 here. Okay, so 7 squared minus 4ac. 4, what is our a? 2. 4ac, so a is 2, c is 2. Kaya 4 times a times c, so that is 4 times 2 times 2. Okay? Then, what is 7 squared? That is 49 minus 4 times 2 is 8 times 2 is 16. Okay, subtract natin. 49 minus 16 is equal to 33. So, ang na-compute natin na discriminant is 33. So, ano po ito? Equal to 0? So, number 1? No. Greater than 0? Yes. Number 3, greater than 0? Yes. Number 4, less than 0? No. So, andito po sa dalawa, 2 and 3, yung kanyang nature of roots. Okay? So, ang 33 po ay not perfect square. So, therefore, eto tayo. The discriminant is greater than 0 but not perfect square. Okay. So, the nature of roots of this quadratic equation is irrational and unequal. Salamat sa pod kaibigan. Kung nagustuhan mo yung video nito, please click like and then subscribe kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking channel.